In this guide, you learn how to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Let's get started. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Navigate to the search page. Here, you're going to find the option of refresh along with the you may like. Click on that. This might change your you may like suggestions. Next, navigate to profile page. Click on three bars. Head over to the option settings and privacy. Scroll down. Click on the option activity center. Click on the option watch history. Now click on three dots, select the option select. Check in for the option select all watch history, click on remove and confirm it. Now you can head back. This helps reset the algorithm behind your suggestions. Next, navigate to the option notifications. Inside this, you're gonna find this section, personalized post suggestion. Make sure under these, all the options are toggled off. Lastly, what you wanna do is head back, navigate to the search page. Scroll all the way down, you're gonna find the option of help us to improve. Click on that. Then select the suggested searches are not interesting or not relevant and submit your feedback. After that, force close the TikTok app and reopen it to refresh everything. Lastly, log out of your TikTok account and log in back. That's it. With these, you'll be good to go. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.